Hi guys, and welcome to this week's vlog. So next Friday your girl's going blonde. So I'm going blonde. So that's not going to be next week's video, it's going to be the week after, and then I'm going to have some blue shampoo purple and then I'm going to have some purple shampoo reviews coming soon and blonde hair videos, and I'm so excited. So I'm going blonde again, but I am going to be filming a workout in this vlog for you guys because I missed that last week. So we are filming a workout this weekend. So that's what we're gonna do. So that's about that for right now, and I will see you guys later. I'm gonna do my cardio today because I've been saying I want to do cardio. Today's back, thighs, and cardio. So I'm gonna do it. All the fans are on. No one's up here, so I'm just gonna do whatever I can. I'm wearing some new gym clothes, which you guys are gonna see on Wednesday, and I'm excited to do this. So if you guys like these videos, make sure to give this a thumbs up. If it gets to 20, I'll do another one for you guys. If you want to see more gym videos, let me know, but time to do some cardio. Jumping squats, and then 10 on each leg for like the tapping side to side. Going to cut much out. I haven't done this for cardio in a while, so I'm gonna keep everything in here so that if you guys do this, you don't think like I'm a pro. I'm winded. Okay, next. So I'm gonna do a warm-up with a band just to start getting my, you know, my biceps going. my nice hunter boots are full of mud. Thanks to this one. Play chuck it. Say happy Easter. Ready? This is what she does. This is how my boots get all dirty. Ready? Hey, sweetie. Where's your ball? Good girl. Ready? Set. There's nothing in here. Good girl. Well, we're going to end it there. I'm gonna still play with her, and then the next time you guys will see me, in a vlog anyway, I'll be blonde. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Don't play in the mud. No. Look at me. I'm so dirty now.